Sunday, May 27th, we're back up, and there were a couple questions on the last video from yesterday about why these nut plates are riveted in, why they're not flush riveted in. They're just used regular protruding pull rivets, and I don't know why they do the design like that. Maybe I don't know if there's more prone to vibration back here or what the deal is, but I checked and the covers do have a lip on them here, so it clears those rivet heads once that's on there. But still, I don't know. You have to ask Rands why they did it that way versus flush rivets. But anyways, we're gonna get started on this, do some riveting, and that's, I think, about all we got on the schedule for today. Just see how far we get, and
because we had a late start.
Because we had a late start. Well, yeah, we had relatives here.
Our nephew from the army.
Our nephew, who was stationed in the army, who's in the army, stationed somewhere else. Somewhere. He wanted to come up and see the project, so we got to bring him up, show him that stuff, so that was a lot of fun. So here we go. Well, we got this bottom skin riveted up as much as we can. The top, or I should say the forward 4 rivets for the stringers, and the rivets between, what stations was it?
3 and 4.
3 and 4 don't get riveted on the longerons, so we've left those out, but everything else is riveted in. Next step is we're going to cleco up the bulkheads and get that ready to go. Bulkheads are clecoed up. We've got those in there, and make sure you get the flanges forward. I guess they wouldn't fit otherwise because of the stringers, the way the stringers are in there, I don't think it would fit. But got those in there, and next job is we'll rivet those in. We're done for the day, and actually made pretty quick work of all this riveting here. So we've got bottom skin riveted on, we've got the the inspection access cover trim plates done. We've got the bulkhead all riveted in, ready to go on that side. Next thing coming up is going to be starting on side skins. So we're going to have to, we need to get another set of sawhorse so we can make another gap in our table there, or fill the gap. So we'll get that done, and we'll move on from there. Hey, thanks for the comments and questions. And if you're liking the videos, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. And subscribe if you're not a subscriber. But again, thanks for watching. And that's it for now.